In this station, you're going to use an app called Photospeak to create a short video in which you're explaining a topic. Now with Photospeak, you can't record, I believe 30 to 90 seconds is all, so it's not a whole lot that you're recording. But the idea of Photospeak is it gets students focused in on the content, helps them be brief in their explanation or their sharing, and then allows them to share out in an easy way. This app is also great for any of your ESL, ELL students or struggling readers, struggling writers, because it allows them to use a skill that's their strength, talking, as opposed to a writing activity. Now, a writing activity may be followed up after this, but at least this gives them an option if you're trying to differentiate or play to their strengths, or if you're allowing them a choice of how they want to share their content back to you. Alright, let's jump into the app. So down at the very bottom on my shelf there, you'll see down by the home button a circle with looks like a text a speech bubble in it, and that's Photospeak. It should be on your iPad that's on the table there. If not, there will be a link to download Photospeak from your iTunes store. So I'm going to tap on that, and we'll just pull up a picture here that we've had previously used. So down at the bottom you'll see 4 buttons. That first button to the left has to do with the settings. It looks like a gear. The one next to that, just to the right, is kind of a plain person avatar, and then we have a video camera icon and then the share icon that's there. So click on that second button from the left that looks like a person, tap on it, and then you'll tap on the camera to take a photo of yourself. Yes, you're going to have to take a selfie of yourself, unless you want to pass the device to another person, ask them to take your picture, which is fine. I already have my photo in the camera roll, so I'm going to tap on that second one, the middle in there, and that looks like a stack of photos. Tap on that. I'm going to go to my camera roll, may scroll back through mine. I'll just tap on that picture. Now with Photospeak, it's going to do face recognition as it pulls up to determine where your mouth is, and it's as you record your voice in a minute, it's going to make your mouth move. So it did a pretty good job finding my mouth and my eyes. I don't have to move those, though you can if you need to. I'm going to leave those just where they are. So up at the top left, I'm going to tap on that little check mark, and you'll notice it makes the face move a little bit, almost to make it three-dimensional. It's going to start repeating you, and so as it hears you, as the microphone hears you on the device, it will start parroting what you say, moving the mouth, and then also where it detected the eyes, it'll make them blink. Now yours will look like mine, either really cool or very freaky, one of the two. So now that we have a photo in there, and you'll notice when you take your picture, you don't want to show your teeth if possible, because when it talks, it will give you teeth. So I'm going to tap on that third icon, the video camera. Now I'm going to record by pressing the record button. This is a test, testing 1 2 3. This is a test. I'm testing Photospeak and sharing content back that my teacher can listen to and evaluate my performance. Tap the stop icon, and I'll just give it a name. I'll just call mine test. Say OK. Now you can listen to it again after it plays once and it stops. Just tap on that video icon once it plays through, and you can tap on the play icon there, and that will play it. If you want to go over on the left hand side and swipe from left to right into the photo, you'll notice that it has different icons there. You can put different things on or take them off just by tapping the icon, turn it on, tapping again, turn it off, and then you can swipe from the center out. And when you get finished, you'll just click on the share button and just tap on the share button again, and we're not going to be saving to Facebook or YouTube, though you could if it's your device. But if it's iPad that you're looking at, you'll want to save the download to the to your camera roll, the icon on the far right of that second row. Alright, so that's how to use Photospeak. So after using Photospeak, successfully doing that, make sure that others have a chance to do so. If you need to help each other, feel free to do that. But I want you to take a few minutes to research how can technology, or how can educational technology and iPad apps support students who are struggling readers and struggling writers. Or you can search for ESL and ELL if you'd like to. How can educational technology and iPad apps help with our ESL and ELL students? That is the end of this video, and go ahead and start your work. I'll be rotating around, so if you have questions, feel free to ask.